Hey everyone, my name is Asher Edwards and I'm a design engineering student at the Colorado School of Mines. My main concept with business is I want to build robotic toys at a small scale that are very advanced and tiny. However, the manufacturing of that is crazy difficult and very expensive. So what I'm working on is a tool changer that will create parts, it will manufacture parts, it will create circuit boards, I'll manufacture them, and it'll assemble it all together. So this is an all-in-one machine that will lower the cost of small-scale production. Eventually it's going to be all sorts of tools, and they will have an entire entourage of robots coming in and going out. So it's going to be able to produce whatever I want at a small scale, precision manufacturing, without paying thousands of dollars per small part. So I'm currently working on some of the tool head changing mechanism. It's giving me a lot of troubles. The firmware has been flashed, the carriage moves, but it's not functional and producing anything yet. But that's where I'm at, and I'm thinking of starting a company called Cricket Robotics because crickets are small and powerful.